Watch your kids.
¿Qué tal, amigos? Y bienvenidos a bordo. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren. Y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias.
As we leave Toontown Depot, we get a real nice view of the happiest land of them all, Fantasyland. You can see people stepping onto It's a Small World just below us. And, off in the distance, majestic Matterhorn Mountain. We're now steaming forward into the future, to a land inspired by visions of tomorrow, both practical and imagined. Here you'll find rocket ships and star steamers, submarines and astroblasters, and, if you look overhead, maybe a glimpse of a Mark 7 monorail. This is the latest version of the first daily operating monorail system in the entire Western Hemisphere, gliding above Disneyland since 1959. Below the monorail, and us, are the fun-filled roadways of the Autopia. Drivers of all ages can get behind the wheel of these cars. No experience or license required. If you're into soaring spaceships or doing battle with evil empires and emperors, Tomorrowland is definitely the place for you. Speaking of which, we're pulling into Tomorrowland Station right now. If you're leaving us here, just stay seated until we come to a full stop. Gather your belongings, including lightsabers and astroblasters, and step carefully from the train. Thanks.
And to your at Tomorrowland Station with embedded attractions such as Autopia, Space Mountain, Buzz Lightyear Astroblasters, Astro Orbiter, Finding Nemo Submarine Voyage, and access the Disneyland Monorail. If you're leaving us here, please remain seated until the train comes to a full and complete stop. Thank you. Accessories such as bubble wands, ears, necklaces, etc. Thank you. And once again, this train is on its last lap throughout the park as the trains are going down for the fireworks show, weather permitting, at 9:30. So we're gonna stop at each station one last time. We're going to stop at Main Street, New Orleans, Toontown, and the final stop will be Tomorrowland Station as the trains are going down for the fireworks show at 9:30. Please plan accordingly.
Legs inside the train. Watch your children and no flash photography.
Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren. Y cuide a los pequeños. Por favor, no tome fotografías con flash.
That was the Grand Canyon as we know it today. But it wasn't always this way. Now, let's travel back in time, way back in time, to the fantastic past of the primeval world, land of the dinosaurs. We're now returning to our own time and to Main Street.
And we are at Main Street Station. If you're leaving us here, please remain seated until the train comes to a full and complete stop. Just some reminders. Firstly, this is the only station with no ramps, no elevators, only stairs. So if you're traveling with strollers and or wheelchairs, you might want to keep them folded as you head down those stairs. Secondly, this is this train's last time it'll be here at Main Street Station, since the trains will be not in operation during the fireworks show at 9:30, weather permitting. So we only have 3 more stops. Those stops are going to be New Orleans, Toontown, and our last stop will be Tomorrowland. Once again, the trains will be going down for the fireworks show, weather permitting, at 9:30.
Welcome aboard the Disneyland Railroad. We're embarking on a grand circle tour of the Magic Kingdom. We'll be stopping at New Orleans Square, Mickey's Toontown, and Tomorrowland. We'll also visit the Grand Canyon and make a trip back in time to the primeval world and the age of the dinosaurs before returning to Main Street Station. As we begin our journey, remember that for a safe trip, you need to stay seated, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train. And please watch your children.
Bienvenidos a bordo del Disneyland Railroad. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias.
Our first stop is New Orleans Square Station. But to get there, we need to pass through the wilds of Adventureland. It may seem peaceful through here, but trust me, it's a real jungle out there. Literally. So be on the lookout. You just never know what might be lurking along the rails. Just ahead is New Orleans Square. This station also serves Frontierland and Bayou Country. If you'll be leaving us here, please remain seated until the train comes to a complete stop.
Alrighty, folks, we're arriving here at New Orleans Square Station. Folks, this stop is your gateway for attractions like Jungle Cruise, Indiana Jones Adventure, Pirates of the Caribbean, Big Thunder Mountain Railroad, Tiana's Bayou Adventure, Haunted Mansion Holiday, and many, many more. Once again, folks, the train's on its final lap for the fireworks. If you want to get off at New Orleans Square, this is your last chance to do so. Once again, folks, if you want to get off at New Orleans Square, this is your only and final chance to do so. Thank you.